Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. According to the 12th month of the lunar calendar, it's a month that's called 腊月。
臘月
就是臘月。Oh, that's 腊月嘛。Okay, and then on the 8th day of the 12th month of the lunar calendar, 也就是12月8号的农历呢，就称之为
臘八。
臘八。Okay, that's 腊八. Because according to Buddhism, there's a Buddha called the Gautama Buddha. The Gautama Buddha became a Buddha on the lunar calendar known as the 12th month and the 8th day. So that's why a lot of people who believe in Buddhism celebrate this day. There's a porridge that is known as the 腊八 porridge, and it's a sweet porridge that has a lot of great delicacies inside. It's actually a dessert, so let's hear it. 第一个要什么
Know me.
You know me. No. You know me to know you.
No.
Nice to meet you, Alice. Know me 啊
Know me 就是糯米。
哦，糯米啊。哦，know me 是糯米。Okay, that's glutinous rice, by the way. 啊，还有什么呢？
牛年干。
啊，牛年干吗？
桂圆。
哦，我以为是榴莲干嘞。
龙眼干。
哦，桂圆就龙眼。哦，that's longan fruit. Okay.
牛年干。
Okay, 牛年干。
反挑。
反挑要反什么？
不是花生。
哦，这教过。
哎，对啊，你都忘记。
翻豆嘛。Okay, that's peanut. Okay, which is a foreign nut, so it's 反挑。Okay. 莲子，这知道了，是莲子嘛。Lotus seed， 终于比较简单一点的。再来呢？凤挑。又是什么豆子？红豆。红豆 that's red bean. Okay, what else?
葡萄干。
葡萄干 raisin 葡萄干 OK 都好简单哦。栗子哦，栗子 chestnut OK 栗子栗类 OK and 还有没有？应该还有一道嘛，总共要8个。
做港
谢谢。
枣泥
哦，真的啊，枣泥是做港 OK that sounds like let's start working here but 做港 is a plum paste Okay, so those are the 8 ingredients that you find in this sweet delicacy known as the 腊八 porridge. So there you go. Put all those together and you could get a 腊八 porridge. And that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.